Welcome back to AI Money Multiplier. Picture this, a world where you can merge the incredible capabilities of Chatgpt with the magic of YouTube Shorts, and, in doing so, break free from the mundane 9-to-5 grind. It's a realm of endless possibilities, where countless channels are churning out bite-sized, captivating videos that are racking up millions of views, transforming into substantial earnings. But here's the thrilling twist. I'm right here to be your guide on this exhilarating journey, armed with just two powerful tools. In a matter of 10 minutes, I'll unravel the secrets that will empower you to craft over 100 videos, each holding the promise of a substantial income boost. Before we dive into this exciting video, make sure you've hit the subscribe button and liked this video because this is going to be a fun adventure. Let's kick things off by deciding what kind of short videos we're going to create. If your creative mind seems to be running dry, don't worry. We have a secret weapon, ChatGPT, ready to shower you with inspiration and ideas. Right now, I'm putting ChatGPT to work, and the results are intriguing quotes, mind-blowing historical insights, jaw-dropping scientific revelations, quirky fun facts, and so much more. These suggestions are pretty awesome, but guess what? I've already got my own winning ideas sparking in my mind. Our initial video idea today revolves around fascinating facts about famous athletes, including famous teams and coaches. This approach taps into the vast audience interested in sports and athletes' personalities. In order to make this a reality, we require compelling texts and engaging facts themselves. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. By prompting it to generate a list of 10 captivating facts about athletes and coaches from the last 40 years, we're setting the stage for success. Why focus on the last 40 years, you ask? Given that Shorts viewers tend to be younger, it's safe to assume they might not be well acquainted with older athletes and coaches. Besides, most figures who were active 40 years ago are still relevant today. This parameter also streamlines the ChatGPT fact generation process. Oh, and there's a nifty stipulation for each fact. 2 simple sentences brimming with intrigue to instantly seize attention. The videos will be easy to edit in this manner, and the opening hook will successfully divert attention. Don't worry if ChatGPT sometimes makes mistakes by providing just single sentences or inconsistent formatting. Simply repeat the section it got wrong in your prompt. With this covered, ChatGPT successfully comes out with all 10 facts. Now it's time to transform this wealth of information into a table. To prevent errors, specify the content for each column meticulously. While this may entail some typing to get it how you want it, the outcome justifies the effort. Next, I will request ChatGPT to produce an additional 55 facts for me, but this time I will choose an educational niche. I'll tell ChatGPT to focus on the topic of science facts. For these facts, I'll specify that the time frame should encompass the entirety of human history. The generation of these 55 facts will require some time, but rest assured the process will complete in a few minutes. While these facts are being generated, you might notice that the website's responsiveness could decrease, and it may become somewhat choppy. However, once the generation is complete, everything will return to normal. Moving on, the next step involves transferring all the facts into Google Sheets. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use Microsoft Excel or any other table-compatible application. Simply copy and paste all the content into the sheets in bulk. Once this is accomplished, your prompt-related task is complete. The remaining task involves video editing. Now, how can we edit hundreds of videos within a 10-minute time frame? The answer lies in the power of Canva. Visit the Canva website, access the video section, and navigate to the mobile video editor. Within the video editor, select a suitable template. Choose one with free text blocks. Arrange these blocks with the top one reserved for the video's topic, the middle one for the text itself, and the bottom one for your channel's name. Duplication is necessary for each of the 3 parts of the fact. Begin by copying the middle text block twice. While for convenience, it's wise to place the text blocks one below the other initially. This arrangement can be modified later. To ensure the optimal video length, set it to around 10 seconds, long enough to be viewed and short enough for viewers to re-watch without difficulty. Subsequently, arrange the timing for each text block. Right-click on a block, select Show Timing, and adjust the bluish block pointer on the timeline accordingly. For instance, for the first part of the fact, set the duration to roughly 4 seconds. Repeat this process for all 3 text blocks, adjusting their durations accordingly, around 3.5 seconds for the second part and 2.5 seconds for the final part. The intentional conciseness of the last part can engage viewers, encouraging them to re-watch the video. Having completed the preparations, it's time to create all the videos simultaneously. Access the Tools section and choose Bulk Creation. Canva will prompt you to import data, opt for manual entry, and paste the relevant rows from your earlier table. Once connected, right-click on each text block, select Connect Data, and choose the corresponding column. Then overlap the second and third text blocks onto the first to ensure all text appears in the same position. Additionally, consider fine-tuning the text's placement to prevent it from extending beyond the video's edge. Finally, click Generate, and just like that, your videos are ready. To download them, click on Share and select Download as separate files. However, if you find that the videos share the same background, don't worry. I'll explain how to modify that as well. Return to the editing stage, access the Elements and Videos section, and choose a background you prefer. Right-click on the video, choose Replace Background, and ensure that the video's length remains at 10 seconds. For a more polished result, repeat the process for the rest of the videos. Don't forget about text formatting. Customize it to align with your channel's aesthetic. To do so, click on a text block, adjust the size, and explore effects like shadows or backgrounds. Once you've applied these changes, import the historical facts data and adapt the background accordingly. By following these steps, you can create a multitude of videos quickly and efficiently, download them, and upload them to YouTube, and you're done. The entire process can be completed within 10 minutes, and the AI handles the complex aspects, leaving you to focus on uploading and engaging with your audience. And there you have it, the exhilarating journey that takes you from the realm of mundane 9 to 5 to a world where your creative potential knows no bounds. Just imagine the countless captivating videos you'll craft, each holding the promise of transforming your income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, with determination and the right knowledge, you have the power to turn your online ventures into lucrative realities. Stay motivated, stay informed, and let's make those online money-making dreams come true.